Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner home available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best robot vacuum cleaner home, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Ultenic T10 Elite Robot Vacuum. After each cleaning, your T10 Elite Robot Vacuum automatically empties the dust into the self-empty base with a 3 liters enclosed disposable dust bag, which holds up to 45 days worth of dirt and debris and capture 99.7% of fine dust particles. Dust stays out of sight and your hands stay clean. Compared to other robotic vacuums with gyroscope navigation, the T10 Elite Robot Vacuum equipped with LiDAR navigation can perform 360-degree omnidirectional scanning to map your home, which can increase the efficiency of planning cleaning path for thorough coverage with no missed spots. With its 2-inch-1 dustbin and water tank, the robot vacuum and mop combo allows for simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, providing a truly thorough clean for your home. Number 2. XIAOMI MIJIA Robot Vacuum Cleaners. The XIAOMI 3C Robot Vacuum Mop seamlessly integrates with XIAOMI's smart home ecosystem through the MIJIA app, allowing users to control, schedule, and monitor cleaning sessions remotely. Equipped with advanced navigation technology, the XIAOMI 3C Robot Vacuum intelligently maps out your home, avoiding obstacles and efficiently navigating around furniture. Combining powerful suction with a versatile mopping function, the MIJIA 3C Robot Vacuum Mop offers dual cleaning modes. It effectively picks up dust and pet hair while its mopping feature tackles stuck-on stains. Designed for quiet operation, the XIAOMI 3C vacuum cleaner operates at a low decibel level, making it ideal for use even during quiet hours or when you're working from home. Number 3. Esyhey ECOVACS D8 AIVI Robot Vacuum. For a better-looking home, Osmo T8 AIVI, with the revolutionary and upgraded AIVI technology, delivers a new level of interaction and deeper cleaning than ever before. Multiple obstacles can be recognized automatically. You can say bye to getting stuck from now on. Say hi to your pet from anywhere on demand. Live video stream from your moving bot for a new level of monitoring and reassurance. Say bye to getting stuck with the upgraded AIVI technology. Multiple obstacles can be recognized with 2x faster identification speed. The enhanced AIVI technology 200% faster recognition rate and 60% entanglement rate reduction automatically avoid objects and intelligently suggest extra cleaning, offer a more thorough cleaning performance. With the data collected in the cleaning report, Osmo T8 AIVI can adapt to home environments better and optimize how it cleans. First, adopt aerospace standard detection technology. Detect a double distance and has 4-fold precision to detect objects. Scan and save multiple maps of different levels of your home. You can also customize where you'd like the bot to clean in each map. Define your restricted areas for bot to clean by setting the virtual boundaries in your home. You can name your different areas on your map. Simply swipe to send your bot to the designated area. Number 4. XIAOMI MIJIA Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum. There is no need to manually clean the mop and change the water, which is more convenient and worry-free. 4+1 fully automatic base station, supports automatic loading and unloading, automatic addition of cleaning solution, automatic drying, intelligent mopping. The robot host automatically replenishes water, automatically lifts the mop through the carpet. 3D 3-dimensional sensing obstacle avoidance, combined with LDS laser navigation, can generate 3D maps. Intelligent mopping function, double mop rotating pressurized mopping, automatic water replenishment without manual water replenishment. Drying with hot air at 40 degrees Celsius prevents odor and mildew, and the drying efficiency is increased by more than 70%. The carpet will not be wet when mopping the floor, and the mop will be lifted. Auto number 5. Donirt Vacuuming Wireless Vacuum Cleaner 2024 New 3-in-1 Sweeping and Vacuuming Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Smart Sweeping Robot Home Sweeper. Sweeping robots for home. Newly upgraded large water tank. Intelligent planning and cleaning by app. The washing, sweeping, and mopping 3-in-1, with a 135 milliliters large water tank. Make it easier to get out of the way. Multi-clock planning and cleaning. Intelligent fall prevention. Extreme simplicity. Enjoying cleanliness to the fullest. 6.8 centimeters slim body, one-click start, simple operation, and app. Intelligent remote control for more convenient operation. Super large water tank capacity, capable of towing 150 square meters at a time, 3000 mAh, 80-minute range. Wet drag down to 70 dB, quiet and not disturbing. 2000 PA. Super strong suction, sweeping and cleaning, extraordinary dust removal. 510